Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to solve the exercise sheet number 5 of English 2, that is the Balloon Man. Okay, I have explained the same poem in that video na. Yes, now we are going to solve the Balloon Man exercise sheet. Okay, so let us start it. Question number 1, choose the correct option. First, the balloon man stays in the market. Dash. So where does the balloon man stay? Balloon man कहाँ रहता था? Market. Square. Option A square. Option B circle. Option C rectangle. Option D oval. So he stays in the market square. Yes, so square is an answer now. So I am going to take it. Okay. Now question number 2. A balloon man comes when it's a dash day. So when does balloon man come? Balloon man कब आता था? When it is rainy day, when it is a sunny day, when it's winter day or when it is windy day. तो कब आता था? Yes, he used to come on sunny day. Yes, so sunny day is an answer. So I am going to tick it. Okay. And we shall see them sailing high. We in the line refers to which? Okay, means यहाँ पे and we shall see them sailing high. The same line is there in the poem. आपको पता है ना that poem, the same poem is having the same line and we shall see them sailing high. हम उन सब बलून को देखेंगे ऊपर उड़ते हुए. Yes. So here we means who? यहाँ पे वी मतलब कौन? ये वी जो दिए ना उसका मतलब क्या है? पुलिस, चिल्ड्रेन, एनिमल्स और बर्ड्स. सो फॉर हुम द पोएम हैज़ बीन रिटन. किसके लिए लिखा है ये पोएम? बच्चों के लिए ना. सो द चिल्ड्रेन आर सेइंग सो ना. सो येस, हियर द चिल्ड्रेन विल बी द answer. Okay, because children are saying that we shall see them sailing high. Okay. Okay, so now what is the question number 4? Balloons are found in the sizes of dash. Okay, so here 4 options are there. Option A big, option B small, option C big and small, and option D neither big nor small. Means balloons are found in the size of big. मतलब balloons कैसे sizes में थे? Big sizes में थे, small में थे, big and small both में थे, या neither big nor small. ना तो वो big थे ना तो वो small थे. So what will be the answer? Both the sizes balloon were there ना? Yes, so they were found in the sizes of big and small. Okay, so I have ticked it. Now question number 2, write true or false. चलो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, द बलून मैन ऑलवेज कम्स ऑन मार्केट डेज. सो वेन एवर द मार्केट डेज वर देयर, तो बलून मैन वॉज कमिंग ना. येस, बलून मैन ऑलवेज कम्स ऑन मार्केट डेज. कब आता है बलून मैन? हमेशा जब मार्केट भरता है. तो येस, इट्स अ ट्रू वन. सो आई एम गोइंग टू राइट ट्रू. TRUE, ट्रू. Okay, now question number 2, he always thinks of lunch. He always thinks of lunch. Does it true? क्या वो हमेशा लंच के बारे में सोचता है? नो, द लाइन इज देयर, ही नेवर इट सीम्स लाइक ही नेवर थिंक्स ऑफ लंच बिकॉज ही इज बिजी इन सेलिंग द बलून्स और गिविंग द बलून्स टू द चिल्ड्रेन. सो ही नेवर थिंक्स ऑफ द लंच. ओके, सो हियर द स्टेटमेंट इज फॉल्स. ओके, सो आई एम गोइंग टू राइट फॉल्स हियर. FALSE, false. Okay, now some balloons are big and some are small. Question number 3 are some of the balloons are small and some of the balloons are big. So it is true. Yes, it is true because both the sizes balloons are there with balloon man. So it is a true statement. Now question number 4, all balloons are tied together with a thread. हर किसी बलून को उन्होंने रस्सी से बांधा है ना. हाँ, तो इट इज़ अ ट्रू स्टेटमेंट. सो अगेन वी आर गोइंग टू राइट इट ट्रू हियर. Okay, chalo, let us move to the next exercise. Now question number 3 is fill in the blanks with the words given below. Okay, you have to fill in the blanks with the given words below. Okay, so question number 1 is he always comes on dash day. So here also again I have written like देखो the answer is there in the true and false. When does he come? Always. So he comes always on market day. So what will be the answer? Market. M-A-R-K-E-T, market. Okay. Now question number 2, and holds dash a lovely bunch. Because these are the stanzas from the poem. Okay, you will find the answers in the stanzas of the poem. So देखो, it is very necessary to learn the poem for filling the blanks of such kind. Okay, so first of all you should be ready with the poem so that you will easily get to know what is the answer of this poem. So he and holds dash a lovely bunch. वो क्या hold करके रखता है? He holds balloons, a lovely bunch. Okay, so here the balloons will be the answer. Okay, you are going to copy it from the help box only. And in the market dash he stays. So he stays in the market square. Yes, so square will be the answer. S-Q-U-A-R-E. The same spelling has been given here only. Okay, now question number 4, and never seems to think of dash. What he doesn't think? So he doesn't think for taking the lunch. Okay, so lunch will be the answer. Chalo, we are moving towards our question number 3. Give the words from the jumbled words. Now, what is here, beta? I have written some of the words, but they are jumbled only. Means you have to arrange them to make a meaningful word. So here some of the words are there. Dekho. E-T-P-R-Y-T. So here what you have to do, you have to fill or you have to make a word by arranging these words. Okay, many words are there. E-T-P-R-Y-T. So what will it become? क्या बन जाएगा? So in the rough copy you have to try the words. Okay, देखो here I am taking one word. T-E-Y. No, it is not becoming. T-Y-E. No, it is not becoming. P-R-T-T-Y. Okay, 2 T are there na? Yes, so it will become pretty. Yes, pretty बन जाएगा. So P-R-T-T-Y, pretty. Okay, this way you have to make a word. Now H-T-C-A-W. What will it become? H-T-C-A-W. So here देखो W-A-T-C-H, watch. W-A-T-C-H, watch. Okay, so this way you have to make the word. Now here T-E-E-W-B-E-N. ये तो दिख ही रहा है. It is between only. Between. Okay, B-E-T-W-E-E-N, between. Okay, this way you have to write. Now T-C-R-A. So it is cart. C-A-R-T. देखो बेटा, how you are going to make these words? So first of all you have to do some rough work. Okay, rough work कर लेना. Arranging the words only, like एक order में arrange करना. Like A-R-C-T नहीं बन रहा है. C-T-A-R नहीं बन रहा है. C-A-R-T, हाँ, C-A-R-T is cart only. So this way you have to practice in the rough page, and then you have to start the you have to go for the answer. Okay, you have to find the answer only. Chalo, let us move to the next page. Okay, so our next question is, answer the following question. When does the balloon man come? मतलब balloon man कब आता है बेटा? तो the balloon man comes on market days. That you know na? Yes, that is the first or the second line of your poem. So here we'll write the balloon man, T capital. The balloon man comes on market days, and full stop will be there. Okay, now we are moving towards the second one. What does the balloon man hold in his hand? Okay, so what is there in his hands beta? उसके हाथ में क्या है? तो the balloon man holds a lovely bunch of balloons in his hands. Yes, because as he is a balloon man, so what should be there in his hands? Obviously the balloons will be there. So yes, he holds a lovely bunch of balloons in his hand. So here we are going to write it. The balloon man holds a lovely bunch, B-U-N-C-H, bunch of balloons in his hand. Okay, chalo, full stop will be there. Now, what colors of balloons does he have? Yes, I have taught you like how many different colors of balloons are there. Colorful balloons are there. Yes, so which colors are there? So it was red, purple, blue and green colors. Okay, so here we are going to write it the same, like he has red, 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 comma, purple, 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 comma, blue, 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 and green, green, green colors of balloons. He has red, purple, blue and green colors of balloons. Okay, so that is it. Now everyone look at here beta. देखो, two spellings are there, COLORS, that are also the colors only, and COLOURS, that is also the color. But the thing is that we are having two spellings of colors. In one spelling U is there and in another spelling U is not there. Okay, but let me tell you beta that both the spellings are correct only, because as they are following or as they are derived from the another different methodologies, we can say that the spelling is of English literature and one is the spelling of that British literature. So both literatures are different, so that is why they are following two colors. But here we will follow these one because that was there in our PC. ओके, तो हमको ये आज याद रखना है. अगर आप लिखोगे COLOURS देन दैट इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट. ओके, वो भी करेक्ट ही है, बट आई विल बी राइटिंग COLORS कलर्स. ओके, चलो लेट अस मूव टू द नेक्स्ट वन. व्हाट वुड लुक प्रिटी इन द स्काई? Yes, what would look pretty in the sky? तो last line was said na, that colorful balloon sailing in the sky would look pretty. So here I am going to write it COLOUR, colorful, because whole spelling we are writing na, that is why I am adding U here. Colorful balloons sailing in the sky would look pretty. Okay, and the full stop will be there. चलो, colorful balloons sailing in the sky would look pretty. I have added two of the spelling, both are correct. Okay, ऐसा नहीं है that only this spelling is correct and this is wrong. No, both the spellings are correct. Okay, you have to just remember them. Okay, so now here only this exercise is there, only this much of is there. Okay, so in the next one I will be sharing the another one. Okay, so just I hope that you have noted the doubt and you are going to say the same into the next Zoom meeting. Okay, chalo, till then your mime is signing off beta. Bye bye.